Hey everyone, welcome to this video on the importance of math in game development. Have you ever wondered why math is such a crucial part of game development? Well, in this video, we'll explore just that. We'll look at some examples of how math is used in game development and we'll discuss how a solid understanding of math concepts is necessary to create fun, engaging, and high quality games. So let's get started. Game physics. One of the most significant areas where math is used in game development is game physics. Game physics is used to create realistic movement and interactions between game objects. It's essential to understand the laws of physics to create game mechanics that feel realistic and convincing to the players. For example, if you are developing a racing game, you need to understand the relationship between acceleration, velocity, and distance, and how they are affected by forces such as friction, gravity, and air resistance. Similarly, if you are developing a platformer game, you need to understand the concept of projectile motion, which governs how a player's jump and fall are affected by gravity. 3D graphics. Another area where math plays a significant role in game development is 3D graphics. 3D graphics involve creating 3D models and textures that make game objects look realistic and engaging. It's essential to understand mathematical concepts such as linear algebra, geometry, and trigonometry to create convincing 3D graphics. For example, when you're creating a 3D model of a character or an object, you need to understand how to use vectors and matrices to represent their position, orientation, and size accurately. Similarly, you need to understand how to use trigonometric functions to calculate angles and distances when creating 3D animations or visual effects. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence (AI) is another critical area where math is used in game development. AI is used to create intelligent behaviors for non-player characters (NPCs) in the game. It's essential to understand mathematical concepts such as probability, decision theory, and search algorithms to create believable and engaging NPCs. For example, if you are creating an AI opponent in a chess game, you need to understand how to use probability theory to predict the player's moves and plan the AI's response. Similarly, if you are creating an AI companion in a role-playing game, you need to understand how to use decision theory to make the AI's choices more interesting and engaging for the player. Game design. Game design involves creating the rules and mechanics that govern the gameplay. It's essential to use math concepts such as probability and statistics to balance the game difficulty and ensure that the player is challenged but not frustrated. For example, if you are developing a puzzle game, you need to use probability theory to ensure that the game's elements are distributed randomly but still maintain a level of fairness. Similarly, if you are creating a strategy game, you need to use statistics to balance the game's economy and make sure that each player has equal chance of success. Debugging and optimization. Finally, it's essential to understand debugging and optimization when developing games. Debugging is a process of finding and fixing bugs in the game's code. Optimization involves improving game performance by reducing resource usage and improving efficiency. It's essential to use mathematical concepts such as algorithms and data structures to optimize game performance. For example, if you are creating a game with large number of game objects, you need to use data structures such as trees and graphs to efficiently store and retrieve them. Similarly, if you are creating a game with complex AI, you need to use algorithms such as search and optimization to improve the AI's performance. In conclusion, math is an indispensable tool for game developers who want to create engaging and immersive gaming experiences. From calculating physics simulations to designing complex game mechanics and AI algorithms, math plays a crucial role in every aspect of game development. By mastering math concepts such as algebra, calculus, and geometry, game developers can create games that are not only fun and entertaining but also intellectually challenging and rewarding. So if you are interested in pursuing a career in game development, don't neglect the importance of math. Keep learning, experimenting, and exploring new math concepts, and who knows, you may be the next game developers to create the big hit in the gaming industry. If you enjoy this video and want to see more like it, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching.